Good morning, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can get Stansor for completely free for your online business and how it's going to help you in the long run create another stream of income. So, we're here on the homepage of Stansor, okay? And the reason I like Stansor is it's $30 a month. But you literally, if we go to my store, can post as many items as you want to post in your store. Okay? That's why I love Standstore. You can also create landing pages. They do the marketing for you. Um, so you can build your email list. You can make a landing page. You can edit the design of your Standstore. um, You see here, my free digital marketing guide will be emailed to you. My affiliate millions course that I'm promoting will be sent to you when you buy it, or you can build your own Standstore and get a 14-day free trial. So when you sell digital products, you're going to need a store. I don't care if it's Standstore, Beacons, System.io, Linktree, because that way your content won't get flagged when you post to sites like Pinterest, okay? Because it's a legitimate website you're paying for, all right? So you need Standstore. You get a free 14-day trial, and then it's $30 per month. But I'm going to show you how to get that completely for free, all right? Um, so you're going to sign up for your free 14-day trial, and then you're going to want to market Standstore and tell people why they need Standstore. Just like I just told you, you can use it for your business. You can post as many products as you want. Um, Tell people why they need this and why it would benefit them. You see over here, it gives you a preview of what Standstore would look like on a cell phone, which is really nice. You can change the colors. You can have it be different, and it shows over here what it would look like. You can change the color scheme as well and the font. So it just depends on what you really want and what you want to do. It's totally customizable. I love Standstore. If we go to my income, let me see if it'll load. I haven't made any money yet, but that's okay. If we go to analytics, it tells me where I'm posting my content and where it's coming from. Okay. So I can go here to the last 7 days. I can go to the 1st through the 17th. Okay. I've gotten 1 lead, 39 visits, 0 revenue. I can see Instagram has 28 or 23 views. Standstore or other like YouTube, um, Pinterest, stuff like that. Standstore promotes you internally as well. YouTube, I've got 1. So 2 people viewed my affiliate to millions offer, and 1 person looked at my free guide. So that tells me that my Standstore is converting. And this is just a cleaner website without you having to build a website physically from the ground up. Okay, you just have to customize what's in it. If you click, I'm going to take you through this so that when you join, you'll know how to add your products. Um, if I go to store, because I'm not using landing pages, you click add product. And then you can either collect emails, do a coaching call, put an e-course, a webinar, URL, your Standstore affiliate link, host a community, recurring membership, custom product, or digital product. Okay? So you can do everything you need to do in StanStore. And up here will be your link that you copy and paste, like in the description of this video will be my StanStore link. So if you want to take advantage of my free digital marketing guide, you're more than welcome to. If you want to check out the course that I'm promoting, you're more than welcome to. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. You can completely customize your StanStore to whatever it is you want. Okay. But I wanted to do a walkthrough. If you get 10 referrals, okay, 10 referrals, I think gets you free StanStore every month, okay? Because it'll tell you if you get 10, that's $60 a month. After 12 months, that's $720 a month. Okay? You can add it to your store. You can mention StanStore. You can add it to your email signature. Okay? Get 10 referrals and you can get StanStore for free every single month. If you need my referral code, the link will be in the description to get your free 14-day trial. Make sure you use somebody's link so you get that promo, because if you go directly to StanStore, they do not give you a promo. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you choose to use StanStore for your business, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.